We not start yet.
How are this? What is this? How far we go?
When you reach off the hill yet, drop the tire right there. You're going to sprint to that tree right there. Come back. When you come back, you're going to give me 10 jumping jacks again with the tire. Right up there. So you pass that little white bridge, the tree right above it. Ready? Let's go. Sprint! Full on! Full on! Lift your leg.
I never really come to stay out here too long still, but to put on my mask. You know, we Jamaicans don't really go by rules, but yeah.
Yeah, but so why you never wear it all day not still long? You don't feel like COVID?
Why me I tell you the truth, you know, miss me, I COVID myself, you know.
What do you mean by that?
COVID not afraid of COVID, miss.
You're not afraid of COVID?
No, to be honest with you, I'm not really afraid of nothing right now, you know, miss. I got my foot first.
People have flu and sickness. Don't corona there, I don't talk about corona. What corona there, darling?
You're not a medical expert, how are you saying that?
Huh?
You're not a medical expert, how are you saying people?
You don't have to be a medical expert to know that. You see, if you're not a bus driver, no catch a corona, and a taxi driver, no catch a corona. No corona, no there.
Nah, use your all we are going to push they want.
Oh, I want you and push and beat up and come from the man like it was we beat you now.
I king and push they.
You run for me, baby father. You face a shoot off. You run for the king. Why you sell it well? Love fuck, put up. You pack up that and throw that in a rubbish pan and carry send a city dump. But you're not easy. You trust them and you love them and then dig out your and throw it in the road make you drive on that. In this turn fucking you hungry and left you in the house and gone out the road and buy box. Enough of this me say to girl boy I know me look with me 2 years and see that and I beat up them and I take a stick and you don't know me. That boy can't play the way. That's why I don't beg me no fuck me as then look for me hungry. You want me say, Mumzela go tell back Tasha. And I say, oh, that Tasha and Tasha and a friend. He say, yeah, go say, hey, my love God. Him show me say, Mumzela go tell back Tasha. And while I go when Tasha pass the lane, Sarah, you go and care. You think me not know, I say, wow. The saddle bear me take up, I'm run go down the tour. I say, you see you, Siranika, but how she will explain. I don't want nobody explain today. I'm in a blood clot, Father God. Blood clot drink. Can you see the beer? It never left from that. Blood clot, Stacy never did for drink. Like that shot, and it is full out some. It never did for drink. And she gets some and she got her. That's why Father God showed me, say, I tell, she go tell about blood clot, wake me in bed. Tasha. Go away. You say no, you think yourself.
Oh, this is doing good.
Hello, good morning. Good morning. This is Nicole mother. I am very upset about this WhatsApp group because when I met the group and I send the message, I imagine me sick in the hospital and I call Nicole to ask Nicole say if she can do the work or if she have nobody to supervise her. When I send the work on the board, like when they ask me say if me could I read. When they ask me say if me could I read, I'm very upset at everybody. I say when school open, I need to hold a meeting and I go down a ministry because it's unfair for when I send if I work on the road and if I don't know if me can read and I don't know if Nicole can read. And the time I say Nicole drop back in a school, every minute to the send this whole heap of bag of sitting on the something and I don't know if we can read for the pitney. And that's why I said I don't have no respect for calling nobody and tell nobody and say them to nobody say, Nicole, you understand the work I do. I send the work like when you think me can read. Me cannot read. Me can't spell my name. I tell you straight and I'm going to ministry. Because I'm very upset. Nicole need to do paper and tell me say Nicole need help. And it's a social distance.
Yes. Let me tell you something. I'm going to tackle Lord make you hear.
Clear.
Hear it. You see effort, you know what make me love effort? I don't care when nobody wants to say. I am, then make me. Now in the bathroom, me at the bath.
Oh, you're the bath. Oh.
Me at the bath. You understand?
Yeah.
Effort, now I'm no money. Making way. In the unknown. You understand what me say?
Seeing.
So what me have?
You think you're pretty now? Yeah, pretty plus stacks. True or false? True.